What's up, guys? How's you all doing? I'm back again with another weekly analysis to get you ready for the coming week. Right? Starting from gold, from the monthly time frame, we can see gold have been bullish, and you see gold reacted from this zone, from this imbalance, from this monthly imbalance, and the potential target should be this high, this monthly high, right? Because you see price reacting from this zone, so we should the potential targets should be this high price to clear the recent high, the recent monthly high. So going down to the daily time frame, to the weekly, let's go down to the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, you can see price have been bullish, but somehow choppy. Price is going to the monthly target, the monthly high, but is little bit slow, right? Because price create the low and tap the monthly imbalance, the high, the weekly high, then somehow choppy around here, no clear movement around here, and this is just liquidity run of price, right? And we see price, you can see price rejecting from this resistance zone. Price have been respecting this zone for the past. Price have been respecting this zone. Price have tapped this zone multiple times, this resistance zone, right? So from this, how are we going to get our entry from the daily time frame? From the daily time frame, right? From the daily time frame, we can see the rejection of price as price tap this resistance zone, but the momentum, the bearish candle, doesn't give a huge momentum to want to sell from there. So I'm still expecting bullish move to clear this high, to clear the resistance high, and maybe we should have something like this and continue the movement. So for the price to clear the potential target, the monthly high, or we can see price tap this demand zone, this monthly demand zone, right? So let's still look at the opportunity to take the long entry, and if price give us the correct confirmation to take the trade. So you can see the momentum here from price not give us, you see this candle no huge momentum to expect price to continue the downward move, right? So I will expect price to tap this imbalance, this daily imbalance. Should have something like this and get my confirmation before taking the continuation trade, right? Before taking the continuation trade, because I'm still bullish in gold. We're still bullish. I won't take any short entry from here until I see price clear this low, this recent daily low, right? You might see something like this, price react from this zone and then sell off to clear this low. So if price clear this low, that's where I'll start looking for a short entry, right? But if I see confirmation from price, price tap this imbalance, give me some sort of confirmation around here, I'll take the long, right? Because our potential, we are still bullish in price and to clear this potential target, this monthly high. Going down to the 4-hour time frame to see things clearer. Remember, this is our daily imbalance, okay? From the 4-hour time frame, you can see price can also reject from this zone, price can also reject from this zone, right? From this 4-hour zone. So you might see something like just a tap in this 4-hour zone, give us confirmation that we can take the continuation trade, right? Or can see price still tap here, reject and tap the daily imbalance, right? Because if you remember, this is our daily imbalance that we expect price to tap the daily imbalance, and boom, continue the uptrend. So as I said, I won't take any short entry from here. I won't take any short entry from this zone until I see price like clear this daily low, and maybe see a retrace and continue like the change of the order flow from bullish to bearish, right? So this is what I'm expecting in gold for the coming week. Was super bullish. I'm bullish on gold. Zone you should be expecting for the continuation move. If this zone fails to hold, right, you should wait for price to tap the daily imbalance for our continuation trade. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame to see things clearer. Okay, this our daily imbalance. You can see in our daily imbalance we also have this 1 hour imbalance, right? We have this 1 hour imbalance giving us that, okay, if this zone fail, we should expect price to tap this zone and continue to trade. But we can also see price right from here and form some sort of liquidity below, tap this zone, this demand 1 hour demand zone, supply zone, sorry, and like sell off, right, to maybe tap here and continue the trend. Or can also see from this zone price should sell off the bearish move, right? But nevertheless, like, we should wait for price to tap our zone and wait for the switch in the order flow before like taking the trade. Don't like just take trade without like confirmation, right? So this is what I'm expecting for gold for the coming week. Mark this is where the first zone I'm expecting to see reaction, and the second zone, right, to see reaction, and we should see price like to clear this our potential monthly high, right? So depend on the order flow we see on price. GBPUSD from the weekly time frame, you can see the selling pressure for the past weeks, right? Price have been like selling, have been like dropping like with momentum. But then from the daily time frame, you see price react from this demand zone. You see a little bit rejection from these zones, from this zone, right? So in this, you see these weeks like price showing us a little bit rejection from the daily demand zone. So we can see something like this, but I expect something like this during last week. Price should like long and tap this imbalance, this daily imbalance, and continue the trend. But then price like fail to show the bullish momentum that might come to tap this zone. You see price, you can see the candles are showing like a rejection from the daily demand zone, but then the candles have been like weak to fail to break this Wednesday candle. This Thursday candle like failed to like show the bullish momentum to break this for the Wednesday candle. So if we see something price like break this recent daily high, we should have seen like a bullish move that might tap this imbalance and maybe show us the continuation of the bearish move, or you can see a continuation like a bullish move. But this Thursday price action like failed to show us the momentum, and you see the last candle of last week, which is on Friday, break this zone, showing us like a little bit selling pressure, showing us the bearish momentum in the market, because this failed to like show the reaction to break this high. Right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see things clearer. Okay, from the 4-hour time frame, you can see price like selling, but like with a little momentum, like not that momentum to show us the direct movement of the price, right? So we can see price like come back to tap this new 4-hour demand zone and shows the order flow. We can see a bullish order flow like to clear this high and tap this imbalance, the daily imbalance. Then the price was a little bit confusing to see, to like make some huge expectation, right? But we can also see something like this, because price have been showing us this switch of order flow. We'll be seeing highs and lows, but then price then creates a low high, so we can see price like continue the flow, continue this order flow and clear this flow. But then I won't sell, I won't take any short entry on gold until I see price clear this flow, until I see price like clear this flow, right? I see something like this on price, little rejection and dump, clear and have a retest and continue the bearish move, right? We can see something like this, tap this, shows bullish order flow and clear this high, right? So this all for GBPUSD. Also, I want you guys to be flexible to adapt any market condition. Like, don't focus on one bias. If you see price change with price, like adapt the market condition, right? So that's all for today. See you in the next one.